A very warm welcome to one and all. Myself, Rathod Khushbu from Paramguru Pathshala Shankul. Dear children, today in this session, we will learn Flying Together Unit 2 of Class 5 English subject. So, dear children, Flying Together, it is a very wonderful story with a good message. Before moving further to our chapter, let me introduce some new words from the lesson. First one is geese. Dear children, this is a plural form of goose, and goose, that is a one kind of webbed-footed bird. So it is a one kind of bird, just similar to duck. The next one is creeper. Plants that need support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Dear children, we know that when a tree grows up, we find a trunk, a very hard trunk. But some plants are like that, they need support to grow. They need support of any wall or any tree. So that is called creeper. That is very loose. They need support. The next one is winding. Winding, that means go in circular. Spiral course, that means to go in a circular, in a round way. Muttered, spoken in a low tone. Muttering, mutter. So that means when we speak slowly to someone, so that is called muttering in a low tone. And the next one is flapped. Move wings up and down. When the birds move their wings up and down, so that is called flapped. So without delay, let me explain the chapter Flying Together. Dear children, it is a wonderful story of geese birds, and in this story you will get a very good message. So let's start. What are some of the things your parents and teacher tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag. So dear children, there are our elders, our parents and teachers. They always teach us good manner. They always teach us good thing. They guide us and they suggest us. So here it says that what are your teacher and parents say? The basic thing what they are telling to us, guiding to us, that do your work on time, get up early in the morning, then do your homework and pack your school bag every day. Means these are the common things that our teacher and our elders, parents, they suggest us. What happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? That means when they ask you something to do, then what happen if you are not going to do that thing? So here is a story. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. So dear children, there is one forest. Deep in this forest, that means very ghana jungle. So deep in that forest there is a very tall tree, and the tree has a leafy branches spread out like a strong arms. It has a strong arms, that means the branches compared here as a strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. So on that tree, this tree, that is a home of a flock of wild geese. Flock means a number of, it is a collective noun. So flock of wild geese, that means a number of geese, they live on this tree and they felt very safe in this tree. So one of the geese was a wise old bird, and among that geese there was one wise old geese. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to other birds about it. So one day what happened, that wise old geese, he noticed that there is one creeper at the foot, that means below that tree. So at the foot of the tree, and he told to every geese, "Do you see that creeper?" he said to them. So he asked to other geese that, "Do you see that creeper? Let us destroy it." "Why must we destroy it?" asked the geese in surprise. So the wise old geese, that he said that there is a creeper, and do you see, have you noticed that there is a creeper? So let's destroy it. Then other geese, they became surprised and they told in a surprise that why we must to destroy this, it is so small. So what they said, that it is a very small, what harm can it do? "My friends," replied the wise old bird, "that little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become a thick and strong." So what he said, that when other geese said, it's a very small, and why and how it will be harm to us, it is a very small. Then after the bird, old wise bird replied that, "My dear friends, this little creeper that will grow very soon, and when it creeps up this tree, that means when it comes up on the tree, that it will become a very thick and strong. Right now it is a small, very loose, but when it grows up, then it will become thick and strong." "What of that?" asked the geese. "What harm can a creeper do us?" So what he said, that what of that means, why we need to worry about that, and how this creeper will harm to us. Is it a creeper harm to us? They asked. "Don't you see?" replied the wise bird. "With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all." So what the wise old bird, he said that, "Don't you see? With the help of that creeper," that means when the creeper grows up, when it become very thick and strong, then a hunter, it is possible for someone, that means a hunter may come up and kill us all. That's no hurry," they replied. "The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now." So what other geese replied, that, "Well, there is no hurry, means let's see, we will cut it out. But right now the creeper is very small, and if we cut it, then it should be not good." Means they have to show pity to destroy, that means they are feeling very sad to destroy that creeper. "Destroy the creeper while it is still young," the old bird advised. "Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it." So the wise old bird advised that destroy this creeper right now, still it is young, means still it is a soft and young, but once if it will be grow, then it is very hard to us to cut that creeper. We cannot able to cut that creeper. Right now you can cut it very easily, but when it grows up, it will be very hard for us to cut it. We'll see, answered the birds. So all the birds say, okay, we will see, let's see. but they did not destroy the creeper. But what they did? They did not destroy that creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. So now they forgot the wise bird's advice, and the creeper now began winding its way up, means round round. Okay, वो ट्री के सारे आजू बाजू में ऐसे वो क्रीपर जो है वो ग्रू हो गई है. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. Now the creeper, it became very strong and very thick, just like a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in a search of food, a hunter came to the forest. Now one day what happened? In the morning, when all the geese they had gone out to search for the search of a food, a hunter came to the forest. So this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. Now when he found one tree, and when he found that okay, so here wild geese are living on this tree, he talked with himself, when they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. So he had made a plan that okay, when they come back in the evening, maybe I will catch them all. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of that creeper. See, now the old wise bird's advice, okay, that is here is true now. So what happened? The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of that creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. So what he did? He climbed on the tree due to the help of that creeper, and he spread his net. Then he climbed down and went away. Then he went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. So what happened? The hunter, he spread his net on that tree, and at the evening time when all the geese they came back, they trapped into that net. Means when they returned to home, they did not notice that net, and as they flew into the tree, जैसे ही अपने वो ट्री में जाने की कोशिश करते हैं, they all were trapped in that net. They struggled hard to get out but could not. They tried very hard to get out from that net, but they were not able to get out. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Now all the geese, they were crying, they were shouting, and they were cried like, help, help, please help us. We are caught in the hunter's net. हम hunter के net में ऐसे trap हो चुके हैं. Oh, what shall we do? क्या कर सकते हैं? Please help. Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. See, here the wise old bird say, don't make a fuss now. That means no need to worry about that now. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Means long ago the wise bird, he had advised all the geese that cut that creeper, but you didn't follow my advice. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. So what he said, that now nothing we can do. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come and the hunter will kill us all. We were foolish, wept the bird. We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. So here all the birds, they are crying, and they spoke they felt very sorry. They said that we were foolish, but please, we are very sorry. Now please tell us what to do. Find a way, how can we get out from this net, please. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. So what again he gave one advice that when in the morning hunter came to kill us, at that time what we have to do? Pretend means ऐसे प्रिटेंड करना, दैट बहानू बनाओ एम. सो प्रिटेंड टू बी डेड, ऐसे उसको ऐसा लगना चाहिए दैट ऑल बर्ड्स आर डेड. जस्ट लाई स्टिल मीन्स ऐसे पड़े रहो. द हंटर विल नॉट वॉन्ट डेड बर्ड्स, वी विल थ्रो अस टू द ग्राउंड. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds. Okay, so what he said that the hunter will not want a dead birds. Hunter thought that he will get a alive birds, but as we will pretend to be dead, so definitely the hunter will not want a dead birds. So what he will do? He will throw us to the ground, and it will be very easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. So what will happen, that hunter climb on the tree, and when he found that all the birds are dead, so maybe one by one he will throw them away on the ground, and we all have to lie on the ground until the last one he throw. मतलब जब तक वो लास्ट वाला बर्ड वो ग्राउंड पे नहीं डालता तब तक वी ऑल हैव टू प्रिटेंड लाइक अ डेड बर्ड्स. एंड व्हेन द लास्ट ऑफ अस हैज़ बीन थ्रोन डाउन, वी मस्ट क्विकली गेट अप एंड फ्लाई अवे. जब वो लास्ट बर्ड को ऐसे ग्राउंड पे थ्रो करेगा, वी ऑल हैव टू wake up, means we all have to wake up quickly and went away, fly away. In the morning the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. So next morning the hunter came and he climbed on the tree, and he found that there are so many geese in the net. They are all dead, he muttered to himself, means he spoke in a low tone. He talked to himself, they all are dead. He threw them out of the net one by one. So what he did, he took one bird and throw on the ground, then another and throw on the ground. So like this he threw all the bird from the net one by one. The birds lay at once, they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. So the birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Until the last bird he thrown, all the birds lay down on the ground, and then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. When he threw the last one, all get up and fly away from there. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree he watched all the geese fly away. The hunter became surprised. He thought that these all birds are dead and how they are flying. So he became surprised. So from the top of the tree he watched all the geese, all the birds that are flying. So like this, all the birds, they have saved their life, to followed by the advice that is given by that old wise bird. So dear children, you too have to follow your elders, your parents, your teachers' advice. So that is a very good message in this story, that we always have to follow the advice which is given by our elders, our parents, our teachers. So I hope you understand the story well. So dear children, thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand our lesson Flying Together well. Read it twice, understand it well and prepare the question answer. Thank you.